Okay, we're back on ours. So we named them all. Let's pretend I've already named all of those. What are elevations? To start doing the actual takeoff after you name them all, you take a look at, well, I'm going to zoom in the whole thing. Each elevation has a scale. Uh, Normally, I'll say 99.9 of the percent of the pages have the same scale in the same one page, but always keep an eye out. Always check them. In this case, it's 1/8. I want to measure top of wall. It says 24 feet 8 inches. Ooh, this is a different computer. I just started using this one, so bear with me. Finished floor, top of wall, 24 feet 8 inches. My first thing that I put on here, I go to takeoff. This one here in the middle, it says for new item. Click it once. Uh, I name it measure. I do this one for every single one. Then on right here, I put my cursor here, right click it, properties, and I start deleting this. For just since it's not much, I'm just gonna name it LN for linear, type linear, color. I always choose this one, which is the brightest red, and the opacity I changed it to 100%. 100%. I wonder why. Okay, because this thing is there. Let me hide that. Okay. Change the opacity to 100%. Okay. And now I can start measuring. Yeah, go to takeoff. You highlight it. This is to measure linear, and this is to measure area. On linear, you click on it, and you do the second one. Polyline linear takeoff. Click it once. It says you have to specify. This is where you're going to name your elevation. You click OK. Scale type, you want architectural. Drawing units, you want feet and inches. Sheet scale, since this one says is 1/8, we're going to need 1/8 of an inch equals 1 foot, which is on here, 1/8 of an inch equals 1 foot. Click OK. And then you check your scale. I'll bring it on here where it's like right in the middle. Click it once. You can let it go, just click it, then use your mouse. See, you can let it go wherever you want to. Bring it down, make it straight. What I should have done. If you want to get out of it, that you don't want to commit to it, just right click it. Because I'm going to start from down here. Click it once, same thing as earlier. You can move it, you remove your finger or put your finger back on it. Where this one is saying is 24/8. Oh my. Okay, we're good. It's straight. Double, and then I let it go. Double click on the left side. Left click, double click it. And it's gonna, now I go back, and this is to check my scale that it's 24.661. You're gonna have to remember this. 8 inches is 0.666. 4 inches is 0.333. 3 inches is 0.250. You can always get that as well by on your calculator. Say you wanna know what what 6 inches is. You will do 12 times 0.0825. Ooh, what the hell? I got that wrong. I know. Okay, let's do 12 times 0.333. That should give us 4.39996. 3 inches is 12 times 0.2. 50, 3 inches, 12 inch. I mean, it's I said 0.666 is 8 inches, so 0.666. So there you go. There's this is the way I get inches, like to know the exact what each inch is. Say 0.33. We know that's 4 inches, so I divide it by 4. So technically, 1 inch is 0.08325. Let's multiply that times 6, and it should be like 0.500, which is 6 inches. Yeah, 0.500 is, well, half of 12 is 6, and this one, I mean, decimals is 0.500. 4 inches is 0.333. 3 inches is 0.250. 6 inches is 0.666. You're gonna need that because this is all in decimals. So by this one being 24.661, it's pretty much saying 12.666, which would be 24 feet 8 inches. So we're good on that. Then, and after I check my scale, come on, thing, work with me. I make a straight line that's below the building and above the building. Just make it straight. You can see where it's breaking. Right there straight. And now I put that one in the middle. I know I'm going to need, since this wall comes down a little bit there and continues there, so I'm going to need a line there, 2, 3, 4. This one is, they call it pan. You put it with your cursor, put it wherever you want it. Once you have it where you want it, left click and hold it down, and you move your mouse again. This is to the right, to the left, up, down. At all times I'm holding my cursor. I just let it go. Now I can move my mouse and it doesn't do anything. So I'm going to need one line there, two. So I need 1, 2, 3, and 4 to show where my building ends. Uh, since I don't know where my lines go yet, I said I needed 4. So I right click, duplicate 1, right click, duplicate 2, right click, duplicate 3, right click, duplicate 4, and let's pretend that that's all I need for right now. One line right here. You're gonna notice that I use a lot of lines. 2, 3, and 4. Now if I try to move my line again, since there's no more, I move that line. You're gonna find out why I need 4 lines right now. Go back to floor plan, and we're gonna square this whole thing so we can get measurements again. Highlight, not here, up here. Highlight measure, drop down 1. It's asking me to specify. I know it's a 1/8, but I'll show it to you. Normally actually, let me not take shortcuts. Let me find out what the scale size is. And it's 1/8 equals 1 inch. So same thing. Let's pretend nothing is highlighted. Highlight measure, drop down. You must specify the sheet scale before using manual takeoff tools. Okay. Remember, we're using architectural, feet and inches. The scale is 1/8. Okay.